Hello and welcome to AccessTelevision.tv. As a follow-up for the scanning project with Microsoft Office Word 2007, I wanted to try to create some of the errors that you may run into during a setup of OCR and scanning in Microsoft Office Word 2007.
Menu, search box, edit, type text in this edit field or press up or down arrow to move through items.
To get started with, there's a few items we need to open. We start typing in the first few letters of them programs.
D-O C-U-O-Ku, Microsoft Office Document Imaging. Enter, leaving menus, Document 1-Microsoft.
So here we have the document imaging from Microsoft Office 2007. We do Alt-F.
Alt-F, menu, file menu, new Control+N. To navigate, press up or down arrow, N.
We arrow down to scan.
Scan new document, W.
Press enter.
Enter, leaving menus, scan new document dialog. Select a
We make sure we have the correct scanner selected.
Tab, prompt for addition, tab, view file at tab, scanner, button.
I tab to the scanner button and press enter.
Enter, choose scanner dialog. Left parent, this scanner will always display the scanner driver dialog. Right parent, scanner combo box, Xerox Documate 515, 1 of 2. To change the selection, use the arrow keys, Alt+S.
That looks correct.
Tab, use automatic document feeder checkbox not checked. To check, press spacebar, Alt+U.
That also looks correct.
Tab, show scanner driver dialog before scanning, checkbox not checked. To check, press spacebar, Alt+D.
Looks good.
Tab, OK button. To activate, press spacebar.
We go to the OK button.
Space, scanner button. To activate.
We tab until we get to the scan button.
Tab, help button, tab, close but tab, select a tab, scan button. To activate, press spacebar, Alt+S, black and white. There
we are, we press enter.
Space, scan new document dialog, cancel button. To activate, press spacebar, 100%, 100%. Scan new document dialog. The scan failed because of a scanner hardware error. Feeder may be jammed. Please correct the error and scan again. OK button. To activate, press spacebar.
Okay, so I was able to get it to generate that error. We press space on the OK button.
Space, scan new document dialog, scan button. To activate, press spacebar, Alt+S, black and white. Shift tab, close button. To activate, press spacebar, Alt+C, black and white.
I did a reverse tab order by pressing Shift plus tab. I am now on the close button and we're going to close this window.
Space, document 1 dash.
I do Alt-F.
Alt-F, menu, file menu, new exit, X.
I go to exit.
Enter, menu bar.
Go to our start menu.
Menu, search box, edit, type text in this edit field or press up or down arrow to move through items. A, D, Adobe M, administrative tools.
We press enter on administration tools.
Enter, leaving menus, administrative tools, items view multi-select list box, not selected component services, 1 of 14.
In this dialog box, we press S.
Services.
And enter.
Enter. Services left parent local right.
We'll maximize this for this
space,
demo.
Menu, close, maximize, enter, leaving menus, tree view, services left parent local right parent, 1 of 1.
Explorer window with the split view. We tab once.
Tab.
The one we are looking for is going to be in the W's, so we press W on our keyboard.
W, web client init W, Windows activation technology W, Windows audio manages W, Windows audio endpoint build W, Windows backup provides W, Windows biometric serve W, Windows cards basic W, Windows color system W, Windows connect now dash W, Windows defender protection W, Windows driver foundation W, Windows error reporting service W, Windows event collector this serve W, Windows event log this serve W, Windows firewall Windows W, Windows font cache service optimizes performance of applic W, Windows image acquisition left parent we right parent provides image acquisition services for scanners and cameras, started automatic local service.
That's the one we're looking for. We open up our context menu.
Applications, context menu. To navigate, press up or down arrow, S, start unavailable, S.
We arrow down.
Stop, O, pause, U. Resume unavailable, M. Restart, E.
We're going to go to restart
Enter. Leaving menus. Service control dialog. Windows is attempting to stop the following service on local computer. Windows image acquisition left parent via right parent. Close button to activate. Press spacebar. Alt plus C. 4%. 100%. 100%. Services left parent local right parent. List view. Windows image acquisition left parent via right parent provides image acquisition services for scanners and cameras. Started automatic local service 172 of 191. To move to items use the arrow keys. To edit the selected item press F2.
So we just restarted that particular service. Let's go back to our document imaging.
Menu. Search box edit. Type text and D-O. C. Microsoft Office document imaging.
There we go.
Enter. Leaving menus. Document 1 Microsoft Office.
We go Alt F.
Alt F. Menu. File. Scan new document. Enter. Leaving menus.
Scan new document. We tab one time to scan button.
Tab. Scan button to activate. Press spacebar. Alt plus S. Black and white.
Now more than likely this is still gonna fail even though we restarted the correct service. We did not power down our scanner. Our scanner is going to remember the last spot where you left off.
Space. Scan new document dialog. Cancel button to activate. Press spacebar. 100%.
And I can see and hear the scanner is not running. And give this a few minutes and hopefully it will fail out on us. Let's try to exit out of that.
Escape. Space. Enter. Scan new document dialog. Scan button.
I am now going to go power off the scanner. I can hear it disconnected from the computer.
Restart E. Resume unavailable. Restart E.
So we go to restart. Press enter.
Enter. Leaving menus. Service control dialog. Windows is attempting to stop the following service on local computer. Windows image acquisition left parent via right parent. Close button to activate. Press spacebar. Alt plus C. 4%. 100%. 100%. Services left parent local right parent. List view. Windows image acquisition left parent via right parent provides image acquisition services for scanners and cameras. Started automatic local service 172 of 191. To move to items use the arrow keys. To edit the selected item press F2.
We have this restarted that service. We do a Alt tab.
Alt tab. Document 1 Microsoft.
Here we are back to our document scanning program. We go to the scanner. And we power it on. Give it a few seconds to initialize. Alright, we should be ready on the scanner.
Title is Document 1 Microsoft Office Document Imaging. Alt F menu, file menu, new control plus scan new document W.
We do Alt F and go down to scan one more time.
Enter, leaving menus, scan new document dialog.
We tab until we get to the scanner properties.
Tab, view file tab, scanner Enter, choose scanner dialog. Left parent is scanner will always display the scanner driver dialog. Right parent, scanner combo box, Xerox Documate 515.
That looks good.
Tab, use automatic document feeder checkbox not checked. The check.
That looks good as well.
Tab, show scanner driver dialog before tab, OK button to act.
So all of them look good. We press space on OK.
Space, scanner
Takes us back to the original window. We tab until we find the scan button.
Tab, help but tab, close button tab, select the pre-tab, scan button.
Alright, there's the scan button and we press space and let's see if it works this time.
Space. Scan new document dialog. Cancel button to activate. Press spacebar. 100%. Scan new document dialog. OK button. The scan failed because of a scanner hardware error. Feeder may be jammed. Please correct. Enter. Scan new document dialog. Scan button to activate. Shift tab. Close button to enter.
We
Document.
close that. We try one more time. Let's power it on and off. We power cycled our scanner. We go Alt F on our computer.
Menu, file menu, scan new, enter, leaving menus, tab, scan button.
We try to scan one more time.
Space, scan new document dialog, cancel button to activate, press spacebar. 100%. 48%. 100%. Scan new document dialog, scan button to activate, press spacebar. Alt plus S, black and white.
So we have this scanned another page here.
Shift tab, select a shift tab, close button to enter.
I'm gonna close that. We're gonna go Alt T.
Alt T, menu, tools menu, recognize, send text to Word T.
I'm gonna send it to Word.
Enter, leaving menus, send text to Word dialog. Tab, maintain pictures in output tab, default folder read tab, browse tab, OK button to act.
And all them settings should be good. We tab to the OK button and press Enter.
Enter.
We do Alt Tab.
Alt tab, archefs.html left parent W plus number pepper steak 6.50.
And there's the document we just scanned in Microsoft Office Word 2007.
Alt F,
looks
open,
good.
Move, new, Alt exit Word, Alt
so we're not
going
to save this. We'll just close it.
Leaving menus.
Let's close this.
Alt F, menu, file menu.
Document without closing the program.
Leaving menus, Microsoft.
We choose not to save it.
No button to active, enter.
Let's see if it was scanned.
Alt F, menu, scan new document, enter. Leaving menu tab, scan button.
There's the scan button. We simply press enter. And let's see if it will fail on our second attempt.
Enter, scan new document dialog, cancel button to activate, press spacebar. 100%. 48%. 100%. Scan new document dialog, scan button to activate, press spacebar. Alt plus.
So it looks like that worked pretty good there. Sometimes when you're having problems with your scanners and printers, it's important to power them off. You may also have to power cycle them by physically disconnecting the power completely from the device by unplugging it from the power. Simply turning it off is not the same as disconnecting it from the power. I appreciate y'all tuning in to AccessTelevision.tv.